Wanna know how to track your order in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily track your Wish orders. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish.com application or the website itself and just log in. So once you've done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply select or hover your profile, and here you should be seeing Get Help. That should be right below rewards. So just simply select Get Help. And now once you selected Get Help, here you should be seeing on top by default Track an Item. So if you don't see it, you can just simply scroll down a little bit and then just simply select Track an Item right here. And once that is done, here you should be seeing all orders, and here you can see the orders that should be there if you had ordered it. So you can also see orders like in progress, delivered, and much more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.